Okay. Howdy, everybody. My name is Ben Brady. I'm the 3D Printing Texan. Got an interesting little package in the mail today from Amazon. Actually, it's from BT Meter Amazon. For a while now, I've been using this old Tektronix DMM 870 multimeter. It's been a good meter. I really miss my Fluke 75 because it was a lot simpler and it was a good meter. But that went by way of the dinosaur. And so Christy picked this one up for me at a yard sale for $5. And it's been a good meter, but there's some things that I don't like about it. For one thing, the display is really tough to read. So I've been using it, and it's been a good meter, but I've been in the market for a new meter. So I saw BT Meter had some meters available, and so I went ahead and I got one. So so now this is the state-of-the-art meter that they sell, and I figured, what the heck, it's a good meter. I might as well try it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing. I just got it. I just opened up the package that it came in. I haven't opened the box or anything, and so this is how it came in the package. There was a set of alligator clips with banana plugs, and the meter itself in the box. And so this is a see if I can get it there, a 770 series new type digital meter from BT Meter. And so this is a new type of video for us to do, an unboxing video. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I wanted to do this one because it's an exciting time. So, and then I'm gonna pull my my bench power supply over here so that we can do some measurements and that sort of thing. I typically use meter in terms of servicing my 3D printers, and we're just going to go ahead and do those normal things that I would normally do. So without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. So we've already seen the leads. These are just standard alligator clip banana plug leads that plug into the meter. So let's open up the box here. Like I said, this is a BT 770S meter. So it came packaged pretty nice. It's got a nice box. And let's see what we got here. There's a coupon in here for 20% off on your next purchase, and you can follow them at BT Meter Amazon at Facebook, and they have an email address at bt@bestmeter.cn. so obviously they're from China, and then the card says thank you for purchasing the meter. Okay, so now let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes with a little Phillips screwdriver. I'm assuming that's so you can open up the meter and take out the battery. So we're going to get rid of the box here for now. And let's see if we can add something here. There we go. Now, I just don't feel like a talking head. So now we're going to continue our unboxing video. I think I'm going to edit that part out. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. So a nice little padded case with some instructions. Little operator's manual here, just a couple of pages, actually one page front and back. It appears to be all in English, which is good. And I'm just going to review that after a bit. when I make another video reviewing the meter itself. So it comes packaged in a nice plastic bag, and let's see what we've got here. It looks like we've got the opportunity here for an X-Acto knife to come into play. So let's, matter of fact, that's a rather dull X-Acto knife. So let's open that up. Comes with a battery, so I'm assuming we'll have to put the battery in. So now we get to do the satisfying portion of anything that's new, and that's to take the screen protector thingy off. So let's see, where's the end of it here? There is an end of it, I can see it. Just, you know, when you're into 3D printing, you end up with not having any nails. So this looks like a really nice big display. Much bigger than the Tektronix scope. And let's see here. So it apparently doesn't have an off position on the dial. It's automatic power off. And it's got a transistor tester. It's got, this is a 6,000 count meter. It does up to 20 amps, fused at 20 amps. And then it does up to, let's see, 800 milliamps. And 1,000 volts DC and 750 volts AC max. And it's got an automatic backlight, and it's got all kinds of different ranges here that you can select. So this is exciting. So there we have AC readings here in the brown, DC readings here in the white, and then we have resistance functions here. So it's apparently not auto ranging, but that's okay. That's not bad. And then we've got some other, we've got temperature functions, we've got diode functions, we've got, looks like capacitance, and of course amperage, DC amps and AC amps, and then also frequency. So this does quite a bit for the money. I'll post a link in the description where you can get it. So I'm excited. We're gonna put the battery in here, and let's see. We've got a battery, and this is it says Goldman super heavy duty, not an alkaline battery, but that's okay. And then of course we've got some probes. We've got a temperature probe to do thermistor type temperatures, which is good. I want to test my hot end for my 3D printer. And then we've got the ubiquitous set of standard probes that come with most Chinese meters. I have 2 or 3 sets of these, and they're pretty decent probes, not bad. So that's the unboxing. It looks pretty good. I can't wait to start using it. And that's it for now, but I'll be back in just a short order to once I change the battery and get the meter up and running. All right, so we're back. We've got the meter put together and got the battery in it, got it turned on. I'll tell you, the display is quite nice. It's nice and big, especially for us older folks who have lousy eyesight. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch to the shot here. And so here we have the meter right now. It's in a over range, over limit condition because I don't have anything hooked up. Excuse me. So we're gonna hook up some leads here and put it through its paces. Someplace here I have some components. Have to dig out one of my Arduino kits. Okay, So we're going to put the positive lead in the positive lead. We're going to put the common lead in the common lead. So that's that. They actually fit pretty good. And we are currently on the 800 ohm or 600 ohm range. And so let's see here what we got. So there we're testing. Okay, so let's get one of my Arduino kits out here, because I know we have LEDs in here. This is the Arduino starter kit from Elegoo, and man, it's got a little bit of everything. So let's see if we can quickly find some LEDs. There's some resistors we can use to test, and there they are. Oops. Nothing like dropping them all over the floor. So let's just move that out of the way. And that's pretty funny. They got little desiccant pack in the LEDs. All right. So let's put it on the diode test. Makes that satisfying little beep. And whoops. Oops, that was me. Now, be my luck, I picked an infrared LED to test this with, right? I don't know what color this LED is. Let's pick an LED that I know we have a color. Because that one's clear. I don't know if it's an infrared LED or not. There we go. I see light. There's a little bitty light, little green light. So the LED's lit. All right. And then all right, so that's working. All right, and let's see, let's grab some resistors here. Let's see what we got. These are all, there's a bunch of different values here, so let's see what this is. Looks like 10 ohm. Let's see what we got. There we go. So that's 600,000 ohms. And let's see what this is marked. Is it marked? Oh, it's 1 megohm is what it says. So let's see what it is. So that's going to be 0.7 megohms for that one. 0.8 megohms for that one. Let's see what we got here. Two kiloohms. Change the range. And there's 1.99 kiloohms. Okay, so it's working good. Now, see, someplace around here I may have a battery. Let's see. All right, so here's a LiPo battery for a project that I'm working on. So let's test the DC volts. Of course, we want the right range. See if we can get the meter so that there's not any glare from the camera. And let's see here. Put it in there. And we've got 8.26 volts DC, which is what I expect from this battery. It's a 2-cell LiPo battery. So that's fine. So I'm pleased with the meter. I'm gonna read the instructions and see how to use some of the other functions, but pretty good meter. I'm happy. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Ben Brady, the 3D Printing Technician. God bless. Have a great day.